I started off really not knowing anything, barely knew how to write an email, but I do know that it was an absolutely amazing experience and an amazing journey to go through. My learning has created a big change for Merkle. They wanted to do a bit of a trial run just to see if the apprenticeship scheme was adaptable, if it was good for them. Now that I'm almost finishing my apprenticeship, Merkle has decided that, you know what, the apprenticeship is actually really good. The training is really good and they want to hire more people. So it is making a change in the business, and not just like data analysts in my team, but as well in the wider departments. The apprenticeship has massively impacted my career because when you think about data analysts in school, you don't actually know what it is. We're not taught about any of this. And because of this apprenticeship scheme, I was able to open my mind to a different career that I wouldn't have necessarily thought of. So it's amazing to think that the apprenticeship has given me that possibility. If I hadn't done it, I would have probably gone to the normal route of university. But because of this, I'm able to do something else that's different that not everyone does to start with. It doesn't matter where you are. You could either be at someone's house, you could be at home, you could be on the bus, you could be on the tube. You can learn wherever you are. You can do whatever you want at the time that you want. You don't have to be in a classroom with a teacher in front of you telling you what to do, when to do it, but you have control on your learning and how you want to do it. A lot of support from our LDCs, a lot of support from our trainers, and I couldn't ask for better. I would say that I'm absolutely enthusiastic about spreading the word of learning and apprenticeships and how good they are. You can learn at any stage of your life, and it doesn't matter where you are, what you're doing, you can always start learning something new.